Hi everyone, we're just going to give you a very quick demo how the Kinect can detect the volume of a chest when inhaling and exhaling. So first of all, let me explain what the Kinect actually does. So the Kinect is sort of a 3D camera, as you can see here on the screen. On the right side, this is a footage from normal camera, and it has, X and Y dimensions. However, a 3D camera can detect things in 3 dimensions. So let me zoom that in. As you see, that's me and Ollie taking the video, and we can see from sort of all directions. So the Kinect gives like a real good enhancement to the type of images we get. So instead of 2D images, we get 3D point clouds, and you can see as zoom in, each of these points form like a part of the total point clouds. So to do that, to use it in an application sort of way, we thought, can we detect the volume of body parts? So if I run this software here, Yep. Okay, so this is like a simple interface to the same things, same point cloud of the scene we're watching. So what we can do is we kind of limit the volume that the screen can capture, the Kinect can capture. And as you can see, I'm focusing on my head. Of course, if I increase the volume, if I can stand like that, it will just drop the size of my chest. Anyway, so I've done that already. So I put 2 point clouds of my chest inhaling and exhaling, as you see here. So on the right side, just like me inhaling air, and on the left side, the exhaling. So if we divide the scenes based on the depth, so the red color are the points that are nearer to the camera, and yellow further, and green, and so on. So you can see like there's a difference between inhaling and exhaling. Now we can get all sort of information about the volume, the size of these point clouds simply, but before we do that, let me show you a comparison if we overlay those images, those point clouds on top of each other. So let me change the color. You can see that inhaling is the one in pink and exhaling is the one in green, and you can see there's a amount of difference here. So we can easily find out the change of the volume in between those 2 clouds. So there's a lot of free software, such as this one, MeshLab, that can give precise and accurate measurements. So if we import one of the point clouds that we showed already, so this one is the inhaling one, we can easily compute the volume and the surface information and everything, as you can see here. We can do some other practical things. For example, like we can reconstruct the surface of these clouds, and for 3D printing or for sort of other information and sort of other applications. It will take a while. Okay, so here it is. So you can see here we have like a good surface reconstruction of the chest, and we can do all sort of stuff, and this is really accurate. And again, we can get surface information, volume, and whatever other attributes that is needed. Thank you very much, and if you have any questions, I'm sure Ruben will answer you. Cheers.